Alright, got the welding done. So there's the bracket. Put that in there. Still a little warm. So I got good clearance on all my mechanical linkage. Got clearance on the kicker spring. Obviously got clearance kicker going down. Got clearance back here. We've got clearance on our pipe right here. As you can touching. This here still has to have a clamp up here to hold that pipe there in. But that clamp goes up here. Two P-clamps bolt together to hold it. So I have to make up something for that. But, other than that, everything else clears up all the motor. It's not rubbing on anything that I can tell anywhere up inside of there either. So it should clear the generator here. Close, but clears. If not, I can dimple it slightly. Alright, so the exhaust system's pretty well good. I just got to take it all off and do all the finish welding. Do a little bit of grinding on the pipe there. Make it look a little prettier. And pretty much done with exhaust. So now I get back to actually putting the bike together. So that's where we're at for now. Okay, I'm working on the muffler here. What I've done, I've taken a bar here. And there's another bar way down deep in there that's now buried. It has a point on it. And now it is way down in there. So you can see the baffle down in there that's coming through. Get some other light on here. So you can see it down in there, the baffle, or I mean the, it's hard to see what it is. I'm going to get the light where you can see in there a little bit, but it's not helping very well. Oh, helps with the camera lights on. So way down in there, the tip of my spear where I'm coming through, there's a big hole there on the left where the channel where the exhaust normally goes in. And it has like a cup shape to it that blocks off the port. And what I've done, I've gone ahead and broke the weld and shoved it up by jamming a punch through it. So let me go ahead and get that punch out of there and we can see better what's going on. Okay, here's the other side. This is on our fishtail tip side. So you can see the punch jammed way in there. And you can see the baffles way down deep in there. I'm not taking all the baffle out because I don't want it to work a little bit. I just want to flow more air than stock. Alright, so now I'm going to knock this punch out. Okay, there's what the punch looks like. You see it's got the tapered tip here in the front. So it's a 4-way punch. If it was longer it'd be better, but oh well. Anyway, you can see what it did to the hole down in there. Kind of. Ooh, it focused on it. Look at that. So there's the baffle. You can see it in there. You can see how now I got a straight through hole right through there. So that's about probably 50% of the airflow at least will go through that big hole now. And the rest of it will go off to the side right there. The hole off the side there, right side. It's a big trough. And that dumps it down the inside of the muffler here. So here's the other side of it. So you can see how that hole's opened up there. So we can see through. There, focus a little better. It's hard to see all the holes, but normally the air comes through a bunch of holes and then around the OD of the tube. But anyway, you kind of get the idea what's happening here. Make it flow better, make more power. There we are.